Right, welcome to today's stream. So yesterday we did this kitchen. From scratch using this inspirational image. Today we'll be doing the same again. So I stream almost every day at this time, so you can subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when I'm live. Also, if you are a cabinet maker and you are looking for a draft person, you can just email me. My email is in the description box. So without wasting any time, let me just share what we'll be making. Found this design on defaultkitchen.co.uk. So this is the design that I found interesting and we will be making it. It have not been making a face frame cabinet, so it's a good idea to do that one. So you can check them out if you are in London, Batch or New York. They can help you out maybe in getting the designs. Okay, so we'll be taking this example, like let's say you're a cabinet shop and you have any design from interior designer or architectural firm and you are given this project to build. So there is where I come in and I can help you out, so just assisting here. So just jump into Mozaik and then you can set up our own libraries and go from there. So we just first save this project and then you close it. So we need to go to record this here to Mozaik folder. You just drop it to this screen, and then let's say this is a new shop and your shop has this one way of making frameless cabinets, face frame cabinets. So we can just go to product libraries, then you can copy the template from Mozaik. Let's say face frame cabinets V12. We'll just copy this one and then we can customize it. Paste. Let's just give it a name, maybe look cabinet shop. After doing that, then we can power on Mozaik. So I've went ahead and saved the images into a folder somewhere, and then we will be just checking those ones as we build. So we have a farmhouse sink there, and then this looks like a solid wood tops. Some shelves there and upper cabinets with glass doors. So we'll just build them as a full shape doors. with insert face frames. I'll assume this is where the sink is located in one of the sections. So it's our gallery kitchen. Let's just call it look. Then we can give it a name, maybe look, and then this is just an example. We can give it my company name, so address, you can check out my website. Email, you can send me email at this one. Find our middleofdrawings.com. Then we can go to settings. Let's just maximize this. Then here we're just going to make a new template, so that anytime we work with this, for example, this, let's assume this is a shop that decided to work with us. So every time we work with them, we'll be using this template just to make it a little bit faster. So we can create a new template for them. So let's add new. Yes. This cancel. For example, you can face frame insert. No, we can start somewhere where we are not starting from scratch, maybe. If you don't see something close, there's no problem, as I don't right now, so we'll just create a new one. Let's just say FF. Okay, then select that one and save. Yes, yes. Then let's shift to that one. Yes. So with that one done, we can now check the doors here. and then select select the one that is close to that one. Flat square. Okay, do we want any edge profiles on each side or on no side? You can select any of those, but because this is an example, we don't have any requirement from anyone, so we can just go ahead. But if it is a shop, and those are the links that we can jump into a call and we can discuss. So wall, let's just go with the same thing, flat square. Drawers, check again. It's just a panel. Okay, what are the pulls, knobs? Knob 1, I think. Yes. Then wall also knob. In drawers we have double knobs. You can change that one on product parameters. Then the inches, we have this. Let's check if we can find that one on Mozaik. Edge plate. Nope. So we don't have those. You can change those one in the later one on the libraries and setups. So drawers, let's just go with standard box, and then drawer slides. Let's just we go with the side mount and same for this one, but that depends on the customer requirement, so not the shop. End panels, we don't have any ripped. On the wall we have just slab, at the bottom we don't, so this one is okay. Material, here my apologies, here we are going to set up our own library, so or we can just use the one that we set for bill raw material, but let's just do that a little bit faster now. So materials, we'll just be using in plywood, so let's just copy 3/4 plywood here, this one, copy, then we paste, and let's call it painted to make it LK for look, then painted. So every time we work with this shop, for example, they do have thickness that is not the standard one from their supplier, so we can adjust this one for that specific shop. Later on, has green or doesn't, two side now, so you can just modify it to fit you. Bro, fly. Then let's just check a quarter for bottoms and backs, and then we can just use only those two materials for this one, just to save some time on this tape. Let's just check a standard quarter plywood and then copy and paste, and then we rename it. LK painted. Has greens? No, it doesn't have greens. And also, of course, every plywood has greens, but for this one, let's assume it doesn't, because we are going to paint it. And then, okay, we have our materials. So we're going to go to libraries, material templates. Then we're going to say new. So let's just select all of it, and then we can change the one at the middle. So we go to that material that we made this side, because this one has shadows. Yes, because this one has shadows, let's just go to liberalize materials and select our board stock, and then make a new one there. Let's just go with half-inch hardwood for the face frames. Okay, or just to save some time, let's go with 3/4 so that we can use it on the styles and rails, and then also use it on the face frames. No, it is big, but it's okay. This is just an example. If it is a cabinet shop, we will inquire what they usually use, and then we can go with that one. So maple pole, you can set it up the way you want. If the thickness is not this one, you can change it as it will show. We can just copy it, then paste. Let's name it something that will differentiate this shop from other shops that we are working with. LK shop, maybe that one will make it different, and then we don't want to optimize it. Okay, so let's go to libraries, material templates. Okay, then on the doors now, let's select all of it, and then we should go to the look doors, and then select all of these materials. Now let's select the one that do matter. Door panel, that one. Door frame, one, then do some, it's just for the board. Panel. On drawers and trays, let's create the new one also of the look. Let's just give it a 3/4 one, and then we can change the bottoms later on. Okay, we've messed there. 3/4. Just go to those and confirm. Here we were. Okay. So say front bottom, let's change this one to 1/4. Side from bottom, change it again, 1/4. Okay, cabinet parts. Again, here you have to take some time because this is a very fast stream. I'm just going to not pay attention, but if it is a shop, you need to go to everything and then change. For example, finish scheme, topic scheme should be something small, maybe 1/4. Then you know the template material you are using. Divide that top, bottom, back. Let's say so finished. Now unfinished back, all of them should be like that. Then countertops, and yeah, we're just going to use a mosaic ones there, we don't care. Maybe we do want to do some edge paintings. Let's just use this one that we made on the bill edge, and then we can just, it doesn't even matter because these cabinets are face framed, so and we are using solid wood, so there's no need to do edge bandings. Okay, so raw material, you can check that one for loop doors. And raw materials, again to that one. cabinet, that one, then countertops, now that one looks close to the image. Butcher block, each burning material template. We didn't set that one up, but you can check on the last video that we did on how we set this one for build. It's okay. So textures means something like that, so maybe check on material. That one is close enough for me for this one. Then molding also, let's go with that one also. Libraries, then we go to libraries and then let's change that one to the one we are using. Do cabinet face frame. The construction method, you want to framed insert, yes. And then we want to edit this one. So this is the default mosaic one, so just to keep it safe there so that we can do other shops later on and then modify them, we need to save it to a new construction method of ours, and then we can modify this one without interfering with the default. So save as, yes. Look, framed insert, save. Yes. We want looked framed insert. This will override continue, yes. Some reason is not accepting my edits, so don't know what is happening there, but we are not going to waste time with that one. We can go on with that one later on. So door overlay, this construction method should be the same as the name we saved our own, so I don't know why it is not changing, but it should. So let's check how they did it. So you can change the inserts. the doors there. And then we can go to face, which is I want to change this one here. Something like 2 inches is okay. Because we just want to change this for this job, we can go to job parameters and keep on editing right there. So edit job parameters. I want to use look. Okay, let's go to face here. Then you can continue editing on this for this job only. You can keep them the way they are right now. But we want them on the finished, and we want the face frame to go out by 3/4 of an inch, so that you can have that panel there covering that end, which is no need to, because we are just going to paint them. So even I don't think that is necessary for this one, but to do so, let's just go to edit this job parameters. Then go to face, and then you can change scribes. If you want to make it big, you can do here that 3/4. If you do have that need to do so, you can just extend it using that parameter. And then, for example, if we had a panelized end here, we will do that. But because this job does not have panelized end, we have just slabs, you can just continue with, even they did that, just the side and then the face frames there. In this bottom stretcher looks big compared to ours, so we can change that one maybe to 2 inches, then insert the bottom a little bit, so that already it is done, so it is already inserted. So for LED lightings, just want to make it a little bit big. It is already updated, so yeah, maybe 3 inches. So just playing with that. Let's just go to the room and then start dropping these cabinets and then see how it goes. So just do a quick room here because you don't have the dimensions. Let's just add this one here. 144 is okay. Maybe let's position this wall a little bit close. It's okay, just the same. Checking, we are still transmitting data there. Let's begin with this work. So these doors are split vertically. So we can do that. We don't see the door that fits that characteristics. We can just make our own. So we are going to go to, okay, let's go to libraries and then doors. This one looks okay. Double click on it and then copy. And then let's just call it loop LK shop. Okay, and then let's split it in the middle. 3D. Looks like that. Okay, yes, undo. I don't know what I did there. We go to Mozaik doors. Okay, let's check if we can find that door there. This one, yes, we did this one. Okay, okay, right. Clean products. So we are doing the wall on the left. So single door, double door. Yes. Face is just clear and then split it just split it in the middle. Clear. Split it on the top, then make this one pair, and then let's overwrite, and then okay, let's say adjust, pull adjustment, double, with 6 inches apart. Clear. One looks okay. So view product in 3D, field, and then perspective. It looks like that, which seems to be close to this one. Let's go to interior, and then let's just split it in one. Adjustable shelf is okay. Then we can extend this one to, this one looks big, so let's say 48. Copy, paste. Let's go to the end. Okay, 48 in the space there. Then we can put these two ones here, so you can see the whole thing. Since we have a drawer at the bottom, and then those ovens, so we can just look at the appliances space, see if we have that one. Microwave base, yes we do. So let's drop 2 microwave bases there. Then we can adjust them on the face. Interior, we can just insert. We don't really know which kind of ovens they are using, so just basic one will work. It's too big. I was thinking we could find one that will fit, but if we don't, we can just override them. to overwrite them. So edit, scale, width, let's say 24. Instead of guessing, let's just go to 3D and then wireframe and then perspective font, measure, such a mess, top, $21 and a quarter. That looks okay, so we can just leave it like that. But if it was a product that will be bought, we will be editing them to fit well. Okay, let's just delete this one and then copy this one. Like that. LED field, it's looking good. Again, these are things that you can modify as requirements come. Which appliances list they are using, then you can change those ones. So to wall, we want them to fit on the wall, like in the top like these ones. We can do so on the room settings, then reduce this to something like 3 inches, then wall cabinets, I guess 48, which is really big. It's really 82, 42. That means probably in this room this house is quite tall, so we can change the wall height, maybe 108. Take this one the same.